Okay, then I have imported the dataset, and this is how dataset look like: the row ID, product ID, customer ID, order date, ship date, customer name, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, category, subcategory, and product name. And there is our sales. Let me show you sales, quantity, discount, profit, and the ship mode. These are all the types of we have matrices. So I made another sheet. Here you can see the identifiers are the row ID, customer ID, order ID, and product ID, the time, the order date, and the ship date. And we have type of customer like customer name and segment. Then the geography contains country, city, state, region, and postal code. Then we have product details like category, subcategory, and product name. And the matrices are sales, quantity, discount, and profit. So these are how our matrices look like. KPIs, you can say. No, not a KPIs. So this is how our normal dataset look like. I have colored them. Look, you can see identifiers. I have colored with a gray color all the identifiers. Then the shipment like order date and ship date with a blue, the customer information with the orange, and the location or a region with a pink, and the product details in the green, and the matrices with like a sales, quantity, quality, discount, profit in the yellow. This is how the dataset look like, and this is a dataset about thousands of line. You can see this is around 10,000 lines of data, and we are gonna working on this set. So let's do it. So I wrote down the business questions. We have like how are sales and profit trending over time. Then we have second question which says which region and state are underperforming. Then we have third question, which categories and subcategories drive profits. Then the fourth question, does higher discount reduce profits. And then the fifth is which product should be promoted or removed from the system. Then we have sixth question which is which customer segment are most valued. These are the 6 questions we have gave on, and we have to research on them. Now I have changed the row ID, customer ID, all the IDs like how can say I would say I changed the column name. You can see let me show you like this. You can see from this to this. Okay, I have added underscores, make it more professional. You can see there is no need of changing the segment, country, city. Here I can change customer name, added underscore on each of the column name. I have created new column which is profit margin, then order year, order month, and order month name. These are the 4 columns I have made. I have made profit margin by using profit and sales, like divide sales by profit and we get profit margin. Then the profit, then order year, order month, and order month name. Okay, this is how our dataset look like now. Just let me show you. I have changed something. Here it is. I changed the date format, like it is in now proper in sequence and in proper format. You can see. Okay, then let's open the Power BI now. Here we open. I have imported the same data set which was the Excel file. You can see all the information, category, city, customer name, loss, profit, everything. The new added columns are there, like region, product name, product year. These are the information I have added, like a whole Excel data sheet I have imported in the Power BI. Then here you can see the Excel format, like the tables and row, all the information are there. Here you can see all the information, the new tables are the new columns I have added, all the data. And then finally the truth. Okay, here is our final made it dashboard. I have added yearly sales and profit trend, profit by region, profit and sales by category, then profit by discount, top 10 loss making product by total loss, and then total. I have added KPI card which indicates the total profit, total sales, average profit percentage, then total orders. Then the key insights you can read, and the recommendation like cap discount at 20%, some review strategies, and this is fully interactive. Let me show you a quick okay, so let me click on 2014. Then when I click 2014, you will get all information of 2014, the top 10 loss making product of 2014, the 2014 total sales, profit, and all the things. You can see all changes when I change. This is totally interactive, and also I can change the region. By the way, you can see the region, south region, central region sales, and all the things. This is how our dataset, the dashboard look likes.